Hello everyone, my name is Diksha Tripathi and I am here to attend the HR conference happening in Kalinga University. I am from Hyatt and I look into the sales department of Hyatt. Talking about the event that took place today in Kalinga, it is really excellent and a great approach to call the industry people and need to know that what they're actually looking into the students. I think every university should step forward for all these things because it is very important for the students who are studying in your campus, because they need to understand that what is the need of industry, and you have to be the first one to capture it so that your students groom up that way. And if the students groom up that way, then obviously 100% placement comes into the picture. So it was a very interactive session. All good industries came into the picture and they have attended the event. It was fabulous. Everyone shared their own views, and being faculty, you should capture those views. So I think the session was very interactive. Now talking towards the campus. Campus is very beautiful. Faculties are very nice. They are literally working hard for the students, and students should understand this, as the faculties are organizing all sort of activities that is for their benefits. I'm glad to attend this session today, and I have met many good people over here. We share the thoughts of each other, and I'm so working in an industry. I came across that what my industry might be looking into me. So I'll definitely take all the feedbacks from here, and I'll groom myself. So yeah, students and teachers should work together, and yeah, that is it.